Welcome back. Today we are going to work with binary operations. In binary operation, we are given the system of equation and we are supposed to find the output for the given inputs. In our question, they say if x star y is equal to 4x plus 6y, find the value of 6 star 4. Straight, let us do together step by step. We have x star y is equal to 4x plus 6y. We need 6 star 4. This is equal to what? So, the first thing, we are going to compare our inputs, that is x star y. We are going to compare with our input 6 star 4. The first input take the first input and the second input take the second input. We get x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 4. Let us substitute our input to our system of equation. We are going to get x, which is 6 star y, which is 4. This is equal to 4 multiplied by x, that is 6, plus 6 multiplied by y, which is equal to 4. So 6 star 4, this is equal to 24 plus 24. 6 star 4, this is equal to 24 plus 24, we get 48. So for the input of 6 and 4, our system is going to give us the answer of 48. I hope you understand this question. Don't forget to subscribe, share and comment. See you next time. Bye.